My name is Teacher Alex. What's your name?
My name is Kitty.
Yes, how are you today, Kitty?
I'm happy.
Yes, let's go on with our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at the picture and tell me where's the clock? Where's the clock? Yes. Where's the door? Okay. Where are the flowers? Where's the boy? Where's the cat? Where's the picture? Yes, now look at here. Where's the mango? Put the mango in the boy's hand. Yes, in the boy's hand. And then put the balloon under the clock. Yes, put the flower next to the cat. Put the cake in the man's hand. Okay, put the ruler on the picture. Okay, put the lamp on the cat. Okay, let's go on with the next one. What's these?
It's a black jacket.
Okay, and then what color is it? What color is it?
It's black.
Yes, and then who's that?
It's a boy.
Okay, what's he wearing?
He's wearing a jacket, blue jacket, and green trouser.
Yes, okay. And then where is okay, this one, what's this?
A flower.
Okay, and this one?
It's a lamp.
Vase. Okay, and then what color is it?
It's blue.
Okay, can you tell me about the vase? There are,
There are four flowers
yes, in the,
in the van.
okay, is the vase big or small?
It's small.
Yes, and where's the vase? Where's the vase?
Maybe on the table.
Okay, and then let's go on here. What's these?
It's ruler.
What color is it?
It's brown.
Yes, have you got a ruler? Have you got a ruler?
Yeah.
Okay, what color is your ruler?
It's a black. It's a brown.
Okay, let's go on with the last one. Okay,
Yeah.
which sport do you like? Kitty, which sport do you like?
I like it.
Okay, which is your favorite food?
I like carrot.
Okay, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing pink jumper and blue trouser.
Yes, okay, high five. That's the end of the speaking test. Thank you and goodbye.